Hello everyone, this is Joe from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Breville Barista Espresso with us in the shop. And I came in for a few things, but mainly it was just needing a general tune-up, which is the descaling of the thermal block, steam wand, pretty much your solenoid assembly that's located in the back of the machine that reroutes water into the three functions. And also it needed a new burr upper assembly, which is just a ring burr that goes right under that hopper there. So we replaced it with a brand new one. And so we're going to just quickly test. This machine wasn't bought with a portafilter, so we are going to just have to show off the functions, not necessarily brew coffee with it. And there's that grind for you. I'm just going to dump it there, but I'll clean it off right after. We're going to quickly test one of the functions. We're just going to look at water, go to the group head, make sure there's no cloggage, make sure water routes really good. First few seconds of all ththese Breville machines is that it does pre-infusion by itself. So the first 8 seconds is just pre-infusion. Then it ramps the pump up. And since I was a single, it ended quickly, but we're just looking at the functions of the machine. Hot water tap should be a nice steady stream, as you can see there. And lastly, just the steam one. So we're going to let this warm up. First few seconds is always water until the thermal block rapidly heats itself up. And now it's going to start. And there you go. And you can hear the pump start to kick on, so now it's going to really ramp up steam. Yeah, that's about it for this Barista Express. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.